What's up, it's Untitled coming to you today with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I laid to the guy. If you guys want to see how I did this style, it is super easy, super chic, and super spicy. Then go ahead and continue watching and subscribe if you have not already subscribed. And I will talk to you guys later. Okay guys, so I'm starting my hair off on freshly cold washed hair, and I'm going to go ahead and stretch and blow it out, so that way it'd be easier to comb through and easier to manipulate before I put these ponytails into my hair. Once I stretch, blow dry my hair, moisturize, and detangle, I am going to part my hair from ear to ear and start sectioning off my first ponytail section. Next, I'm going to get the Eco Style gel. I'm going to use that to smooth out my hair into the ponytail. Any Eco Style gel will work, but I just use the argan oil, or sometimes I use the olive oil as well. You can use Gorilla Snot or any other gel that you like to use. I'm going to get a hard bristle brush and go ahead and brush my hair up into the ponytail and pull out my baby hairs, of course. Next, I'm going to use 4 black rubber bands combined together, and I'm going to use that for my ponytail parts and go ahead and smooth that in and make that secure. Next, I'm going to just go ahead and braid the ponytail downward and secure with a black rubber band on the end, and I'm just going to repeat this process on the next 2 sections, making it into a 3 or a tri ponytail mohawk. Okay guys, after I braided 3 sections, I'm going to use whatever bundles I choose. I'm going to use these red bundles that I dyed. So in order to start applying the tracks onto the ponytail, I am just going to double the wefts and use a open pin, not the bobby pins, but the open pins that they sell. Usually where the bobby pins are, they sell the pins there too. I'm going to pin the 2 beginning the 2 tracks together, and going to start at the bottom, wrap, pin another side, wrap, pin another side. I'm just going to keep on going upwards until I reach the top, and once I reach the top, I'm just going to start circling around and around and around until I run out, and then I'm going to secure with a bobby pin again, and then get some spritz and spray a piece and wrap the piece around the base, and it should be pretty secure. If you don't feel like it's secure, just keep unraveling. You can get some more spritz, or you can also get a little bit of hair glue and put some of that on, but I did not use that because I have red hair and the hair glue is black. finished product. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's something a little different. It's like an invitation. It's like an invitation to say, what's up, fall? I'm ready for fall 2K18 with this red, fire red, cherry hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Love you guys.